Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm MD Al Mammon, a professional digital marketer, social media manager, and SEO specialist. I can promote any business by using many hidden tips and tricks. I can understand customer psychology and effectively promote their business. I can do the work for any company with full responsibility and give a good result. It's my profession. If you work with me, then I can bring good results for your business and grow your business more. I have completed a long-time training from Outsourcing BD Institute on total digital marketing and completed much work successfully. My services: digital marketing, SEO specialist, social media marketing, Facebook marketing, Facebook ads campaign, YouTube marketing, YouTube video SEO and promotion, Google ads campaign, YouTube ads creation, Instagram ads management, keyword research, Photoshop editing, LinkedIn marketing, LinkedIn business page create and setup, Shopify SEO, data entry. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel.